guys, the Bitcoin is around at $39,000, and we have seen in the right now, I guess, yeah, in the morning at 9:30 a.m. the Bitcoin has shown breakdown movement. It was making a wedge, a bull pendant, and the bull pendant, and it has breakdown from that pendant. Approximately it has breakdown from 39,900. It has breakdown from that more, from that pattern, and it is moving around at $39,000. And guys, hope you remember the previous chart, that I have told that we will long the Bitcoin around at 37,400 to 37,700. Hope everyone, if anyone have remembered that, I have said that we will long the Bitcoin on the retest of the triangle, that is on the support line, and the support line is same at that area. It is from between the 37,400 to 37,700. And you have seen one thing, that the Bitcoin was moving around at Bitcoin was moving around above the $41,000, but it has rejected. We have seen yesterday or day before yesterday, yeah, on the 15th June, around at the night only 11:30 in the IST time, we have seen that the Bitcoin has shown breakout, and it was fake breakdown. If you ask me that what is the fake breakout or fake breakdown, so if you want to say the fake breakdown, fake breakout, then you can see the chart. It will be uploaded on the YouTube. You can see what is the meaning of fake breakout you will be getting, and you can itself see the candle that it was breaking out from the pattern, that is bull pendant, that is from the $40,000, 40,600. It was trying to break out, but uh, actually it has shown fake breakout. And you can see this also on the your Binance app. On your Binance app charts, you can see that, and you can see on the trading view. You just have to many times, guys, I have already told you that just create an account on tradingview.com and start learning the charts on as according to I daily tell you how to read the charts, how to make the patterns. And right now you can see on the charts, you can't see right now, but you will be seeing on the recorded session of this on the YouTube, that it was making a pendant, and from the pendant it has broke down. Actually it has shown the fake breakout, but today it shown the breakdown, and from the breakdown it shows that we can retest around at 37,400 to 37,700, which is exactly the support area for the Bitcoin. If it is not the support is not handled that much, if it is breaking that support in the downward direction, then it is if it is not bouncing from the support, then it is giving the clear sign that it will be coming back to inside this big triangle, and this whole scenario will be becoming a fake breakout. I have already told in my previous, guys, you see on my previous Telegram on the channel, that I have already told that the institutions are increasing their shorts. I guess if Sagi is online in the voice chat, he has also given me the institutions image that they are increasing. Approximately 120 position has been added. I don't know what the current position of this the status of the institutions. These There was a 739 on the 13 June. I have given the image of the shorts. It shows that the shorts has been are increasing. And guys, you can see, I guess someone was talking about in the group that they on the Bitfinex that 24, I guess 24,000 shots has been increased on that Bitfinex. That suggests, that indicates that the $41,000 or $42,000 was a strong resistance, and traders were keeping eye on that level, and they think that this is the rejection for the Bitcoin, and 41,000 or 42,000 is a rejection for the Bitcoin, and it can show again downward in the Bitcoin. But we need, right now what we will do in the future is that we will long position at 37,700 or 400, and we will keep our stop loss. If you ask from me, is the stop loss will be around at 36,700 will be our stop loss, and the our our leverage will be our leverage will be approximately 2x to 3x leverage we will use on that position. Because I have already told that this thing that we are not in the hurry to long the Bitcoin. We will wait our position. If it is coming to our position, if it is coming to our buy position, then we will buy the Bitcoin, we will long the Bitcoin. Until unless, we will sit quietly and will wait for either breakout for the $42,000, or after 42,000 we will long. But the whole scenario change from in the today only in the morning at 9:30. We have seen that it has been a breakdown in the Bitcoin. And guys, if we see for the in the 4-hour chart, let me see in the 4-hour chart. If we remove that triangle, let me remove that triangle and remove all the lines that I have made on the chart. Let me remove this, guys. One more thing, one more important pattern. So keep online, don't miss or don't go anywhere, because I will be taking questions afterwards, so wait for that. So guys, one more important, so be online, one important thing I will be telling. So yeah, let me see in the daily, yeah, 1 second, let me see in the 4-hour time frame. If we remove that triangle, and if we move according to if we remove that triangle, and so yeah, so if we remove that triangle, so it gives, if we see in the 4-hour time frame, that it shows that we are moving in a channel that is from $52,000 to $42,000 to $30,000. It is making a channel, long channel, and it shows that we will be bouncing from that area. And again it's showing, if we see according to the channel, let me show you the channel, you will get an idea what I am talking. You have a clear picture of the Bitcoin in your mind. Let me show you. If the 37,400 is breaking, then this channel will be good. Let me show you. And Ajay, don't worry, I will be talking about the death cross. Lot of things I will discuss. So we'll be not taking that much questions today. So let me show you about the Bitcoin. You will be getting the idea of the Bitcoin right now, after changing the yesterday's pattern, or after changing the today's pattern in the morning. See guys, are you seeing this chart that I have posted on the main Telegram? If you are seeing, then just reply yes on the main group, that is on the that is main crypto stage group. Okay, so this is the chart. According to this, you if you zoom the chart, it shows that we can move in a channel. That is, this resistance will be the 42,000 and the support will be the $30,000. So this movement can take a while, and accumulation can take place for a months. In this, if we I will head to the death cross, wait for that. But if we talk about for the in the channel, we can move in this channel, and we can see a couple of times we can see the Bitcoin at that area. And according to the pattern also, that is head and shoulder pattern, it is showing that we can go back in the downward direction. That I'm not telling that, but chart is telling. Let me tell you two important things, that is the RSI in the daily time frame, or sorry, daily or weekly. Yeah, let me show you. Let me see. Yesterday, I have given you the chart for the Bitcoin. That very important thing I have explained yesterday. If anyone has seen, around at 11:52 p.m. in the IST time, that I have given the three circles in the chart and the three circles in the RSI. If anyone has seen, when I talk about the some nasty tricks can be seen, these circles and the RSI. So I will be giving that details, that info in the detail. So where is our Bitcoin? Yeah, if we now if we talk about in the daily time frame, it is, guys, showing something very interesting. That is, many of you were waiting for the death cross. So death cross is approximately going to happen. So I am very pretty much confident now that the death cross will be there in the chart, and the Bitcoin will show bearish sign. It is giving. I remember I have told yesterday that death cross is just giving a signal, giving us a signal that Bitcoin can be bearish. So it will be giving us a signal after crossing it. So let me show you the pattern, guys, in the daily time frame, that the death cross is very about to cross these two lines. That is, the death cross is about to create. Let me show you in the main, that on the main Telegram channel. So that's why I was telling you to not touch any altcoins, and was telling you to buy some more coins only. See this death cross. So many were telling, sir, you were telling that the death cross will happen. What happened to your death cross? So just have patience, and the death cross will be taking place. If I see the gap, it is approximately 1 or 2% is left. So which is very, I guess, if we see in the previous, in the past, let me see in the Ethereum pattern, the Ethereum BTC pattern, that have we seen the what was the gap in the when the gap was when the death cross was cancelled. Let me see how much was the gap when the death cross was cancelled. Let me see. So guys, very interesting thing is there on the BTC, sorry, in the Ethereum BTC, is that when I have if anyone is listening voice chat daily, then He knows that I have told about the death cross was cancelled in the Ethereum in the April month. So in that in the Ethereum in the BTC chart, the gap was between the 200 MA line and the 50-day moving average was approximately 7 to 8%, and from that the death cross was cancelled. But if we see in the Bitcoin, it is showing approximately 1 or 2%, and 1 or 2% death, this death cross is very dangerous. We have seen many times in the past that whenever this death cross is there, then it confirms that the Bitcoin will be bearish. Not saying that the Bitcoin will crash, but I am saying that the Bitcoin will be bearish in the upcoming. It is giving the signal that in the upcoming days or months, it will be showing some bearish movement, but it will be not like that. There is a fast crash in the Bitcoin. It will be taking time. You can see yourself only that on the 19 May it has crashed to 30,000, and we have seen the Bitcoin yesterday only at 40,000, 41,000, above 41,000. So death cross, I guess, will be seen. And one more thing, I have told you about the death cross, and I guess on the 18th June or 19th June, guys, 18 June or 19 June, we will see the death cross in the Bitcoin, I guess, because the game is now left for the 1 or 2% is left. The game is almost about to over in the Bitcoin. 1 or 2% is left in the death cross. That gives the confirmation that Bitcoin will become bearish. But you are asking now that do we long the Bitcoin? We will long in this scenario also, but we will use our stop loss around at 36,600. But I will be not taking too much long in the Bitcoin, because I know death cross is taking place and the RSI is moving in the downward direction. And guys, one more thing, and that is the RSI. I forgot to tell you, RSI. For the RSI is approximately 53%, and 53% it is making a hook, and it is showing that the RSI can drop up to 33%, 33 level, or below 30. It can drop, because we have seen on the 19 May it has been around at 23, but at 23 it was oversold in the daily time frame. So that's why the RSI was climbing slowly on the when the Bitcoin shows the accumulation. Guys, one more thing is very important to understand for the RSI. If anyone is listening very careful, is that if anyone is watching, if it is he or she is seeing the RSI very carefully in every chart, is that when we see the RSI in the oversold and it is jumping over, so it doesn't mean that there will be a fast movement. The RSI, if the RSI will jump, there will a fast movement. It can be that when we are jumping in the when we are moving from above from the oversold area, that is from this area, that is below the 30 level, if we are moving up, that it doesn't mean that the RSI, if the RSI is going up, then this asset will go up. It will be pumping, the RSI will be pumping also when there is a accumulation area. When the Bitcoin shows accumulation, the RSI will be pumping on that purpose also, on the accumulation. When the Bitcoin is, when any asset is showing accumulation, the RSI will be going up. It doesn't mean that RSI will be going up when the asset is going up. It depends, it goes up, or the all the indicators which are in the oversold, it can be above the oversold area on the purpose when the asset is in the accumulation area. So it is not like that the indicator shows when the RSI or indicator is moving up, it shows that uh, RSI, the asset will be moving up. It shows that the accumulation can also be there in the asset, and from that accumulation, after the accumulation, it can drop and the RSI can again drop in the pattern. So RSI is very important in the accumulation phase also. And I have told you about the RSI, death cross, and guys, one more thing that is very important in the weekly. Let me show you about the weekly. Guys, if you want to learn about this trick, this thing na, then do check this video on YouTube. It will be helping you in the upcoming about to how to analyze the RSI and the charts. So very interesting thing, keep listening. Yeah, so I think I need to take the old chart of the Bitcoin, Bitstamp. Yeah, Bitstamp is giving a good, let me remove the lines and the, yeah, two main thing, that is the 50-day moving support, and one more thing I will be telling, RSI. Yeah, in the weekly, guys, if we see in the weekly, the Bitcoin is showing that this week candle can be red, because the three candles was the green candle, and the support was approximately around that on the 50-day moving average in the weekly. And it has shown the support at the weekly, the 50-day moving average is showing around at the support area at 30,000. Weekly is also showing from where the Bitcoin is pumping. So this candle, that is this week, Bitcoin is giving a signal that this candle can become a red candle, and we can go back to around $32,000 to $30,000. So you are asking na that we are, if we are longing, so 36,600 would be the stop loss, and I will be using, guys, only using 0.5% or 1% of my portfolio, because I know that a Bitcoin can drop and it is very risky trade. So will be longing from that area, I have already told. And the thing is the RSI, let me circle the thing that I am telling, that I will be, that is very important, is the RSI pattern, that is this abnormal, a kind of abnormal hand that is showing on the RSI, which shows that the RSI, if RSI is dropping in the weekly, that shows the Bitcoin will be dropping. Let me show the pattern of the RSI. It can move like this. If we see in the previous, in the history of the Bitcoin in the weekly time frame, that it shows that this pattern, see, this abnormal hand has been gone up, and from there drop. You have if we see on the 23rd September, we have seen a pump up to 10,000 after that, and we have seen a drop, massive drop in the Bitcoin. The Bitcoin moved to from $8,000 to 10,000, and from there that area it has the Bitcoin shows a crash at 6,700. So this abnormal hand, a kind of abnormal hand, has shown that the Bitcoin has crashed. Let me show you past in the 2017. There was the same these three scenario, these two scenario has been seen the past 2 years, and this year can this in this year this whole thing can repeat. But let me show you again in the 2017. But guys, if you want to see, please check this video. It will be very important to check on the YouTube. So let me show you this abnormal hand on the 5 February 2018. It has shown the such kind of hand, and then go back down, then the RSI was crashed. If we see in the Bitcoin has pumped to from I guess $5,000. Sorry, not 5,000. Let me see where was the pin candle. It was around at 6,000. The around at 5 February, Bitcoin moved around at 6,000, and from rapidly it has been pumped 11,000. And from that moment, the abnormal hand of the RSI has moved down on the 26th March, and from that 26th March, from 11,000, we have seen a Bitcoin dump 6,500. So it has crashed approximately 50%. So I'm not here to scare you that Bitcoin will be dumping huge, but we can see this moment, this abnormal hand, a kind of abnormal hand. So if the RSI is showing this, so we'll be seeing this RSI. I don't know what kind of pattern, what kind of this pattern is saying, but this is my term, abnormal hand. And we see in the RSI it can show the downward direction up approximately 34. It can move to 34, and if it is moving to 34, then we can see a crash another 25% to 30%, which can lead to the same. Suppose I have already told in the previous, keep on telling you that the 24,000 or 17,000 and the 10,000 will be the ultimate area to see the Bitcoin. But I don't think that the Bitcoin will come at that area. But to confirm the bear market, we need to break down from the $30,000. I guess how many? 76 participants. Guys, I think this is the all-time high of the voice chat. 76 participants at the all-time high. I don't think, I guess we have seen approximately 34 to 46. Right now 73 participants is a kind of all-time high for me in the voice chat. So guys, not taking any questions, so don't raise any hand right now. And yes, let us talk about the XXP. Many of you were saying that we have missed the SXP. I have guys specially told in the previous voice chat that you can buy the SXP because I guess one person have I guess Nakul, or I don't know, remember who was asking about the SXP, that it was dropping. I guess Sushant was asking. So he has said that the SXP was drop approximately 2%. What we can do, I have bought around at $2.09, and you can see the SXP has pumped 17% from our buy range. So I have booked around at 15%. I have booked the profit in the SXP, but got the loss about 4% in the mask. So total profit is 11%. I am happy, at least 11% I have earned. At least we are making a good profit at least we are making a profit now, not making any loss in the trades. So that is a very big thing. At least we are not making the loss in the trades, and we are saving our capital. And guys, one more thing that I have told about the Litecoin, that we can buy the Litecoin around that. I have told that this 173 would be the retest and we can buy, but stop loss would be again around at 160, 170, and you can see that the Litecoin is dropping and it is moving inside this triangle, so that this breakout was a fake breakout, and the Bitcoin and the Litecoin will be moving inside this triangle. So I will be not touching the Litecoin. I guess I can short some Litecoin, but will use small leverage. And one more thing, guys, about the KSM, I have already told that it has breakdown at 396. I have told that I am shorting. So if we see from that area, the KSM has dropped 6%, and if we have used 5x leverage, then we have easily got 30% profit. So guys, if you daily listen the voice chat, then you are earning, at least you are earning something from the voice chat. Even if you are not earning from voice chat, you are learning something from the voice chat, like learning about the charts, about the analysis, how I am analysis with all the things. I guess someone was asking yesterday how we can read the charts. Some was asking that can I live with you in your house. So I said that there is no option right now. So I am telling you whole every day that how you can how you can see all the patterns, and how you can save. Actually, if I see yesterday, many guys, we have taken the live trade in the Matic only. If anyone, I guess 40 or 35% participants were there in the live on the voice chat, that we have taken the live trade on the Matic, that we can buy because it was breaking out from that triangle. But guys, I have told that we can put our stop loss at 1.55, but the at the night only, we were not waiting for the stop loss. At the night only, I have told that please close your the Matic trade. Let me show you where it was. I have told on the night only that I have told that to remain safe uh, from the Matic. I have, guys, actually I guys, many things I itself forget to what I have told in the Telegram channel or what I have not. So if I see where is there, I guess yeah, no, where is it is where is the Matic update, guys? Yeah, I have told guys close the Matic trade because the Bitcoin is not looking. So at the night only, I have told the Bitcoin was not looking good, and Bitcoin actually have breakout at 41,000, but I got the sense that the Bitcoin is not looking good at $41,000. The Bitcoin actually crashed, and at right now it is 39. So I have we get saved from the Bitcoin only. So I guess I told about the fortune about or the Bitcoin, that when the Bitcoin was about to pump, I have told before only that Bitcoin will crash. And I, guys, how I detect this before pumping, that when the Bitcoin was about to pump, and I have told that at that moment that Bitcoin will crash. Guys, I have noticed something very nasty thing on the order book of Bitfinex and the Binance, that there was a order books that were being cancelled and were putting again and again. So these things told that there's something bad can happen in the Bitcoin. So you don't have to look on the chart also, you have to see on the order books of the exchange, that is fluctuating, that is showing that these are cancelling and manipulating the things. sometimes we see the, I think we can see the order books of, I guess, yeah, we can see the, I have not seen the order books of the future exchange. I only see the order books of the spot position. From that area, I think I have seen that there was fake wall creating on the area at 41,400, uh, that the whales are trying to pump at that area, and it will be crashing. So you have seen at 8 a.m, 8:30 a.m, 8:30, approximately 8:30 p.m, I have told that the Bitcoin is not looking good and it can show a dump. So actually we have saved our money before dump, actually before pump only we have saved. So, and guys, one more thing I have posted today, that that someone is launching a Bitcoin crypto parlor, crypto burger parlor, I guess. Polygon burger, Bitcoin burger, Ethereum burger. If anyone is, guys, is launching in India, then guys, please distribute the distribution or to the crypto stage admins. If let me see the group, let's execute this, and yeah. So our first target, good, yeah. So BTC is, I guess, the next support is the same, that is the 37,400 to 37,700, and SXP is looking something strong, that it can reach around at 2.7. If anyone is if anyone have missed the entry, so I don't suggest you to enter in the SXP right now. We will wait for the retest at $2.05. We'll be waiting. And KSM, guys, keep on holding your short position. You can close your 50% short position at the current price, and we'll be waiting. So I guess yesterday Rohan has asked about the KSM, and I have told to him that, especially I have given the chart, that it has break down the channel, and you can see that from there it is breaking down. And let me see the Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance is, guys, about to reach around at 48 level. So this week or the next week will be a very altcoins can be crashed in the BTC pair. It is not looking good. And if you see in the Ethereum pair, I have already told in the previous that the Ethereum will be crashing, and it is crashing and crashing. RSI is it is about to go in the oversold, and I think we can see a bounce from 0.055. We will be buying some Ethereum in the BTC pair in 0.005. Right now it is at 0.062, and we will buy at that area at 0.055. If we see the theta is moving strong. Cover has been cover coin has dropped approximately around at 352, and we have sold around at 296 to $308. I have sold some tokens of cover. I will be waiting some around at 230 to $220. I will be waiting the cover coin to buy. Some coins I will buy. And sushi coin has broke down. The EVC for the Binance coin I will be not entering. VTHO, that is the governance, I guess, fuel token of the wet token. It is showing that it is not breaking out from the resistance, then it is dumping, you can see. And the TLM, guys, many of you were worried about the TLM. So I have told in the TLM that if we are not crossing if we are crossing above from 1500 $0.15 then we are not until unless we are not buying. And you can see it has not crossed $0.15, and from that area it is dumping. So TLM we are not touching. The next support for the TLM is the 0.11, and if you ask for the TLM, you can short the TLM. It has broke down that triangle. You can see that triangle. Let me show you the triangle that it has broke down. And I will talk about the last about the ICP, and will next let's see one second. Right now guys, I am finding about the coin to buy. SXP is looking good because it might can retest, and it can pump. So see this TLM chart is looking bearish now. When we were, so sorry TLM guys, if anyone is holding, I can't do anything because TLM is not that much. How guys, our channel became 2891. Who have added 10 members? I think someone is adding member. So keep going, the Telegram army, keep adding. I think I have seen right now when I've started the voice chat. I guess there was a 2877 members, and right now we are seeing 2891. So keep on guys, keep on doing the hard work, and soon if I will pray that we will reach above the 3000 members, and we'll try to do some giveaway also for the our members above if we reach 3000 members in the. And guys, one more thing for the, now let's see the ICP, the most asked question about the ICP guys. We have breakdown from that channel from the 62, and I have told that we can put our stop loss around at 61 to $60, and we have saved our capital, and it has reached $54 guys, $54.94, and it is moving very crucial. We need to break out from this pattern. Let me show you which pattern I am talking about. If we are not if we let me once again first let me draw two scenarios how we can see. First line is the above line is the, we can see a breakout, and the next is the breakdown. Let me show you the chart for the ICP, most asked question, the altcoin. See, we can see the ICP. If we are breaking out from that line, white line, then we are bullish in the ICP, and we will buy the ICP again. If we are not breaking out from that triangle, then guys, I am out from this coin. Out. I'm already not bought. My stop loss is already hit. But let me show you one more about the Musk coin that I have told that we are not buying. Yesterday we have seen this chart that Musk is about to hit. I guess Musk is not has not hit the $4.44, or it has been hit. Musk, it is 4.443 guys, almost. It has about to hit, but it my stop loss has not been hit right now. My stop loss was around at 4.4, not 4.44. It was 4.4, and it has not been hit yet. And now it is showing that it is showing a bounce from that upper line. Let me show you the chart for the Musk coin. If anyone is holding, then just keep holding till the till the stop loss get hit. See the Musk coin, if you zoom the chart for the Musk coin, it is about to it is about showing the green candle above the triangle. But if we are moving inside this triangle, then guys uh, we will be not our stop loss will be hit and the Musk coin will become bearish. So we'll be not buying the Musk coin. We don't know whichever what will be the next support. Let me see how much long, guys. Today we have talked about the analysis 45 minutes, I guess. 45 minutes. I don't expect that this huge 45 minutes till the 45 minutes. If anyone is will see that video, okay, don't worry. I will short the video. I will try to make the video under 25 minutes or 30 minutes. And so this was the whole analysis. Let me see one more thing about the altcoins, total market cap of the altcoins, and we'll take some questions. So yeah, if we see for the total market cap of the that is 821, it is about to it is there is a support. Guys, I have already told about the support areas of the total market cap. You can check on the group if anyone has posted. The support is same, the 820, 719 and $613 billion. So these are the three supports. So it is about to touch the support and we'll see if it is showing a bounce. And the resistance is the same, $928 billion is the resistance, and the next is 1 trillion, and the next is 1.1 trillion. These are the three resistance for the total market cap of the altcoins.